How to turn on notifications for ING Bank. Follow my instructions. Notifications help you stay updated on account activity, card transactions, and security alerts. With ING Bank, you can enable push notifications or SMS so you never miss an important update. Here's how to turn them on step by step. First, open the ING Banking app on your phone and log in with your credentials. Once inside, go to the main menu and look for Settings or Profile. From there, select Notifications or Alerts. You'll see different types of alerts, like incoming transfers, card usage, low balance, or security warnings. Choose the ones you want to enable and toggle the switch to turn them on. If prompted, allow the app to send push notifications through your phone settings. For SMS or email alerts, you may need to confirm your mobile number or email address. Double-check that your contact details are correct so you receive the messages without issues. Some notifications may also require two-factor authentication to activate. After setting them up, test by making a small transaction or checking your account balance. You should immediately get a push alert, SMS, or email depending on your selection. And that's it. You've successfully turned on notifications for ING Bank. Thanks for watching.